one of my favorite palettes for sure.
Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're enjoying this series. Pregnant, being a mom at 30 plus. If you haven't seen most of my videos, you can go to the playlist that is written mom at 30 plus. So welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm just preparing for a DIY photo shoot at home all by myself. So this is just basically me doing my makeup, nothing serious. I'm not a pro or anything, but I was just trying to see what I can do. So this is the first part of this video, which is the makeup. Most of the stuff that I use is just basic things from random shops, from Signature, Jet. Where else did I buy this stuff? In Chinatown, in some Chinese shops. So that's what I use for makeup. Basically what I do, I just watch a lot of makeup tutorials. That is where I'm learning from. So I learned from Samantha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the handle is on the screen. Please go check her out if you want to learn how to do makeup. And that is just me. I'm seated on my bouncing ball because I couldn't stand for long. This was at, I believe, week 37, 38 also. So I couldn't stand for longer. I just came and sat on the bouncing ball. As I was doing my makeup, I was also bouncing, just, you know, to exercise. Another video is coming soon about delivery and how this ball actually helped me. So this is that's the bouncing ball, and then there we are. Not the best, but we tried. So let's move on to the next thing. So I went to Chinatown. I bought this 3 meters material. It's something that I wanted to use for this DIY photo shoot. So I bought about 3 meters, and I wanted something yellowish, brownish, something like that. So I got this. This was 3 meters, like I said. I'm just cutting it into 3 pieces that you will soon see, that you will shortly see how I'm going to style it. So the bigger part is already what is on the bottom, and then the second part I'm gonna use it for the upper area. I was trying so hard. It looks so easy, you know. It looks so easy when you see it on pictures and so forth, but now when it's your turn to be creative, you get played. So this is basically the cheapest photo shoot that you can ever have. You just play around with what you have. I think the material was like maybe 30 or 35 per meter, if I'm not mistaken. And this is a material that I still have to use. I still need to use, you know. After this, I never used it again. So I can basically make a dress, a pencil dress out of it, or maybe a skirt, a pencil skirt. So there goes the most difficult part. Guys, I do not know how to make a duke. This is my weakest point of them all. Yeah, so that's why I was going for that makeup look of yellowish gold kind of thing. It's because I just wanted to match this material. So just watch as I struggle. Oh, it was a nightmare. I think it took me around close to 15 minutes or even 20, guys, just trying to see what I can do with this thing. I know right now the video is in fast forward mode. You can't really tell how much work went into that. But yeah. So guys, if you're enjoying watching this video, please consider subscribing. Go and watch more videos in this series of being a mom at 30 plus years. You see there's a lot of videos that I've shared through my journey of this pregnancy, and this video is mostly vlogs, what I was eating, where I bought some of my baby stuff, just preparing for baby, how I found out I was pregnant, and so forth. So if you're interested in that, please go and check out those videos. So this is just me quickly making my bum shine with tissue oil. I'll leave it on the screen. That's the tissue oil I've been using all the time, so I did not get any stretch marks at all. I started using this tissue oil I think at 4 months up to date, so it really helped me a lot because I had no stretch marks. My belly could itch, but not for long, right? So here I'm just trying to warm up and make myself a bit shiny. I'm using this bronze that I got from Signature some years ago. So this is the look that I was going for. I was just simply trying to match the material. So let's get to the background. I actually went for this color because I was using this was like my color palette, kind of yellow orangish theme, because we didn't know the gender of the baby. So we just bought neutral colors, and neutral colors are usually the grayish and the what, but I don't know why I just decided to go for this root orange yellowish kind of theme. So most of my things, if you've noticed in most of my videos, especially that where I was preparing for baby stuff, you'd see that mostly it's almost the same color, not exactly the same color, but it's just a kind of palette that I was using. So that blanket is the blanket that I made myself for my baby boy, but at this point, like I said, we didn't know if it was going to be a boy or girl, because we're kind of old-fashioned. We didn't want to know the gender. We just wanted it to be a big surprise. So right, I'm just trying to make a proper background, setting up. My concentration is mostly on this chest of drawer because this is where I'm going to take the pictures, but the pictures didn't come so perfect because I was using just stacking books. So this is how simple our setup looks like. So I just did something like this, I don't know, with some yellowish. This is just the changing pad. I haven't really done much with that, still in the plastic. So just to make it look like something is going on here, I don't know, I think that is enough. I don't want to put a lot of stuff there. So this is our setup. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. I think I'll stand this side and then do the fins.